In this video, we're assembling the Travel Italy box card. So I've got the pieces all laid out. The two pieces that just have a tab on one side. This is your front and back of the box. Small disclaimer, when I'm assembling this, your shutter button here on the camera is going to be on the wrong side because I have to go in and reverse that particular piece. So I'm having to assemble it backwards. Your file will be corrected and your shutter will be on the correct side. We're going to start with the Colosseum. You're going to line the first piece up to the top. Then you have a piece that has an arch here in the center. This is the bottom. Then this piece is going to go right there in the center. We're going to put this on Now for the back of the card you have a film strip for writing your sentiment on. Us old timers know that our camera used to have film in it. There we are. Okay. Now let's move in the front, and again, it will actually be this piece that's reversed so that I can use this one the correct way. And you may be wondering, so why are you going ahead and making it when it's backwards? Because I just cannot be wasteful and throw this perfectly good piece of paper away just because it's backwards. I can still use it. We're giving my boss at work a retirement party, and the theme is travel. And he's actually been to Italy, and so we're using this card for him. But I just didn't want to waste a good sheet of olive green paper just to cut out another one of those when this one will work. It's just backwards. Maybe it's a camera for a left-handed person. All right. I'm going to put my flowers right here in this corner. The bottom two I'm going to glue down flat. The top one, I'm going to pinch it up a little bit. So there is the front. I'm going to pull in the leaning tower. Now I know all these pieces have just tiny spaces. Uh-oh, that's the wrong one. That's why it wasn't fitting all the way. So if you look at the archways, you'll see that let's put them against here. There we go. You'll see that this center one is a little bit bigger than these, so this is your bottom one because that's the doorway for going in. So this one is the bottom. And then the smaller one is the top. These two middle ones are the same. These three middle ones are the same. And I'm just lining it up to this notch here. So there is that layer, and then the front layer is the scooter. So the first thing we're going to do is put our wheels on. Now the fender. These cards are 5 by 7. in case you were wondering. You're going to line this up to this bottom curve, just like that. And we have a small headlight here. There we are. Okay, now we're going to put this together. We're going to take our back layer. You want to fold your tabs. Now leave them out flat, and we're going to lay this down right in front of that back layer and glue it to the side. Okay, just like that. Then we're going to take our front layer. We're going to lay it down in front of that back layer and repeat the same thing. So I'm just going to lay it down, bring my side over, and glue it in place. Fold it both ways. Lift this up so we can see our tabs. We're going to put glue on both our tabs. Then we're going to take this side and we're going to fold it over. And we're going to add glue to this tab and go ahead and close it up. And there is the Travel Italy box card. Thank you for joining me.